humid clouds always enshroud Rwanda's rainforest. I'm on my way to see some of the world's few surviving mountain gorillas. These gorillas, living on the fringes of the Nile Basin, are, in contrast to humans and other animals, dependent on neither rivers nor ponds. They get all the water they need by eating the plants around them. These rare and strong animals have now been declared to be the symbol of Rwanda's transformation. The country is aiming to become the African gorilla.